If you've ever felt stuck too close to one part of your Prezi presentation and wanted to see the bigger picture, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom out in Prezi while you're editing so you can quickly pull back, find your place on the canvas, and work more efficiently. This is a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time when your presentation gets larger and more detailed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your Prezi presentation in the editor. Once you're inside the canvas, you'll notice that Prezi lets you work in a zoomable workspace, which means you can move in and out of different sections of your presentation. If you want to zoom out manually, the easiest method is using your mouse scroll wheel. Simply scroll your wheel down and Prezi will zoom out away from your current cursor positions. This is especially helpful when you want to step back and get a better view of the layout you've built. You can use this method repeatedly until you're at the level you need. If you zoom out too far, just scroll back up to move in again. This makes it easy to fine-tune your presentation without losing track of where everything is positioned. Another fast way to zoom out is by using the left sidebar timeline. On the left side of the editor, look for the topmost thumbnail labeled Overview. This is basically your global view of the entire presentation map. When you click Overview, Prezi will instantly snap all the way out so you can see the full structure of your presentation in one place. This is perfect when you want to understand how each section connects or when you need to jump between different parts of your canvas quickly. It's also a great way to make sure your presentation flow looks smooth before you present it. So to recap, if you want to zoom out in Prezi while editing, you can either scroll your mouse wheel down to pull back from the canvas or click Overview in the left sidebar to instantly see your full presentation map. Both methods are quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.